Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone device, your Apple ID cannot be used to create accounts for other apps. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem and how you can create accounts for other apps on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started. First of all, here we have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here we have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here we have tap on your Apple ID profile. Then after that, here you have tap on personal information, and here you have to change your date of birth, and here you have to update your personal information on here on your Apple ID. And here tap on sign in security, and here you have to verify your email address and your mobile phone number on your Apple ID which you have entered. Then after that, here we have to go back. Then after that, here we have to scroll it down, then tap on here screen time. So here is screen time, we have to tap on this. Then after that, here we have to scroll it down, and here tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, turn this toggle on. After that, here we have to enter your screen time passcode. So after that, here we have tap on iTunes App Store purchases. After that, make sure that all the three options should be allowed from here, and here you have to go back. Then again, here we have to turn this off from here. Then after that, go back, and here you have to close this tab. After that, here you have to force restart iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. Then after that, again open setting. Then here we have to scroll down, then tap on general. Then again scroll down here, and here we have to search for background app refresh, and here make sure that the background app refresh is turned on from here. Then go back, and here you have to again open setting, then tap on general. Then here scroll it down, and then tap on language and real. And after that, here make sure that your Apple ID region and your device region should be same. So after that, go back and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here we have again open setting, then tap on your Apple ID, then here tap on this. Then after that, from here you have to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device and sign in again. After that, go back, then again open setting, then scroll down, then here we have tap on general. So after that, here we have to tap on soft update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, go back, and here you have to again open setting, then tap on general, and then here we have to scroll down, and here tap on VPN and device management, and here make sure that your iPhone device is not connected with VPN. If you're connected with VPN, then here we have to disconnect with VPN. Then go back, and again open setting, then tap on general, then here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that, here we have to enter iPhone passcode. Then after that, hopefully after all these settings, your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to use your App Store or your Apple ID to create any account on other apps. So in this way, you can fix this problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.